So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your password from your Windows 11 and disable your login password completely. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is open your start menu and search for settings and then open your settings. Then here you have to click on accounts and then scroll down a bit and you have to click on sign in options. Here click on password and then click on change. Now just enter your current password and hit next, and then it will ask you to create a new password. If you want to create a new password, you can write your new password and hit next, but we want to completely remove the password. So what you have to do is just leave this as it is, just leave this all the details blank and then click on next. Once you do this, it will ask you to restart your PC and then you can check if it is asking for your password. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.